Right, how's everyone doing? Good, I hope. Yeah, there's a problem with the Atari VCS recharge games, right? Uh, Now, for some reason, oh, sorry, right, like Centipede recharge, Asteroids recharge, all the recharge games, right? For some reason, they'll only work this way if it's Word. Now, you can use a joystick or the controller, but they have to be Word, you know? Because if they're not, won't work, the games won't start, right? So now Centipede Recharge seems to be the one that has the biggest problem, right? Now with that one, not only do you have to plug in the USB cable on the Atari VCS controller, but you have to go into the save game data in the system settings and delete it, you know, and the game should work then now. But the thing is, it has to be connected, you know, otherwise it won't work. Now that shouldn't be the case. Like the game should work. The game should work wordlessly or Word. Because when we first bought the games, they worked wordlessly, but for some reason they'll only work this way. You know, and that's what all the recharge games. So you have to have the controller plugged in with the USB cable or the joystick if you want to use them. Which that shouldn't be the case, but that's the way it is. And you have to delete the save game data. You know what I mean? But particularly with Centipede Recharged, you have to delete the save game data. Now once you do that, and once you leave it plugged in, the controller plugged in, you don't have to keep deleting your save data for Centipede Recharged or the other games. But with Centipede Recharged, every time I take out the wire, and I want to use the thing worthy, the game won't start and I have to delete it again. So now the same thing with the other recharge games, but Centipede Recharge seems to be the worst. You have to use it connected and you have to delete the save data. Now once you leave it plugged in, you don't have to keep deleting the save data. Now this is a pain in the ass, but that's the way it is. And so I hope Atari get onto that and update the games or something. But it's only a small problem, you know, but I'm sure people out there are going to encounter this problem where the games won't start and you're scratching your head, what do I do, you know? Well, you have to plug in the USB cable, you know, into your VCS controller or the joystick, you know what I mean? And you have to go to the system settings and delete the save game data for every game, but particularly Centipede Recharged, because if you take out the word, you have to do it all over again. But once you keep it in, it'll work. But particularly Centipede Recharged. Now with Black Widow Recharge, that doesn't seem to have any problem. So I don't know, but that has a problem also. You have to have the thing connected, which shouldn't be. Like I said, when I first bought the games on my Atari VCS, we could use the controller wordlessly or the joystick wordlessly. But now, whatever the hell's going on, Atari, you have to update these games. You know, now for the most part, Atari are pretty fast at responding to problems and fixing them. But we've told them about this problem 3 or 4 times and don't seem to be doing anything about it. So we don't know what the story is. Now, I know they're probably busy right now with Atari Mania, getting that out, with the Atari 50th anniversary collection that's coming out in November. Now I realise they're a small team and all, but they should keep on top of these things, especially when they're Atari games like Centipede Recharged and the other Recharge games. But Black Widow and Missile Command Recharge don't seem to have this problem. But so just leave your controller plugged in with the USB lead or the joystick. But if you take out the lead, you're going to have to delete the save game data again, put the lead back in. That's just the way it is, unfortunately. So I hope that helps people out there that come across this problem. The games won't start and you're trying to figure out what to do, like, you know. Well, so I'll tell you, like, you have to plug in the USB cable, leave it plugged in, delete the save game data, then go back and the game should start. But if you take out the wire, you have to do it all over again, especially with Centipede Recharge. That's the one that seems to have the most problem, you know. So I don't know why that this is happening, why every game is affected, you know. I mean, if you take out the lead, because like I said, when I first got the games, this wasn't happening. So anyway, I just want to put that video out there, you know. I hope it helps people if you have that problem, you know. So yeah, that's it's just annoying, you know. So anyway, I hope everyone has a good day. Take care, bye bye.